Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore your windshield wipers. It's an easy method. It takes about 5 minutes. Just take your wiper out and check out the condition of your blade. If it's not torn, ripped, or falling apart, it can be restored to its like new condition. Okay, this is a fairly easy method. All you have to do is get some 1000 grit water sandpaper, and you're gonna have to, just sand away the old layer of rubber in the wiper. As you can see the old rubber dripping in the water, which is coming off fairly easy. What this is going to do, it's going to get rid of the burnt rubber from the sun. It's going to leave you with a fresh layer of rubber, which they're going to work like brand new again. There's going to be no more streaks, no more squeaking. So as long as it's not torn and it's all intact, you can do this on any wiper. Okay, now you put your wiper back. Fairly easy, simple. Well, let's go test them. Okay, now we've got them back on the car, so we're going to try them out. Add a bit of water, and there you go. Look at that. Work good as new. No streaks, no squeaking. Perfect. Try it out. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Thanks guys. Please leave a like and subscribe.